Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of January 24th, 2025. Here are some upcoming events. Re-enrollment packets were sent home to all of our students. Charter school students must re-register every single year. Please send your completed packet back to school as soon as possible. After 2 weeks, we will open up registration to students that are new to PBMA, and your student may not have a spot. Please email me if you need an additional packet or a packet in a different language. The week of January 27th is Celebrate Literacy Week, and it's also School Choice Week. The elementary campus will take a deep dive into literacy. Students can dress up to celebrate, in addition to other fun activities. On Monday, January 27th, dress in shades of blue from head to shoes. On Tuesday, wear a Hawaiian shirt. Wednesday is Beach Hat Day. Thursday, wear your sunglasses or your goggles. Friday, wear sunny Florida yellow. Here are pictures of our students celebrating School Choice Week. Next week, I will send home order forms to pre-order Valentine's Day Carnations. Carnations cost $2 each or 3 for $5. Students will be able to choose from several beautiful colors on Valentine's Day when the flowers will be distributed. Saturday, February 8th is our next open house for students that are new to PBMA. 10 o'clock a.m. is at the elementary campus and 11 o'clock a.m. is at the secondary campus. Please tell any friends or family who may be interested. This is also a great opportunity for incoming kindergartners to see the elementary campus, as well as 5th graders to see our secondary school. Spring Book Fair will be Monday, February 17th through Friday, February 21st. As usual, we need parent volunteers to help out. Shifts are 8 a.m. until 11 a.m. and 11:30 a.m. until 2 p.m. Please email me if you're able to volunteer. Saturday and Sunday, February 22nd through 23rd, is the Lake Worth Street Painting Festival. PBMA students and staff will create beautiful chalk art on the streets of Lake Worth Beach. Please stop by if you get a chance. Monday, February 24th is a teacher workday, no school for students. Spring break is March 22nd through March 31st. Students return to school on Tuesday, April 1st. Save the date for our spring Astro skate night. Skate night will be Thursday, April 17th at 6 o'clock p.m. and the next day is a spring holiday. So come out and skate with us.
And here is a word from our administration.
Hi PBMA families, it's Mrs. Smith, your elementary principal. Quick important message, re-enrollment packets went home this week. Please, please, please take the time to fill them out and send them back so we can make sure your child's coming back to us next year. Thank you.
Greetings PBMA family, this is Principal Stone of the secondary campus. A few quick reminders, once again parents, our gates do open at 8:30 for our students to be allowed in. With inclement weather, we do open the exterior gates a bit earlier. Please keep in mind we are a uniform dress school and our students should be in uniform dress. With the inclement weather, we do allow them to wear sweatshirts and hoods that are not PBMA, but please do not abuse this privilege. We ask that you dress in your PBMA uniform. Also, we are a yonder school. Students have been coming to school and turning in their phones, which turns out to be a dummy phone as they have their real phones on them and they break the rules. Moving forward, every student will be given an additional pouch and charged the $50 in the form of an invoice, which will be placed on their permanent records. Any student who continues to break the dress code rules and the yonder rules will face suspension and possible dismissal. I ask that we all work together. When we first introduced the yonder pouches, our test scores soared over 37%. I know that the students can do so much more if they just focus. Let's work together to make PBMA great.
Meet the Thanks, guys. Well, this week, first of all, let me say Happy New Year, because it's been a while since I've been on. It's mid-January already. It's hard to believe. I'm here today with some exciting, very exciting news. I have with me Miss Balakog. She's one of our high school ELA teachers. That's English Language Arts. Miss Balakog spearheaded something that is just the best thing that I've heard in a long time. It's good news at PBMA. She had her students write stories, draw pictures to go with the stories. These guys are published authors already. It's one of my dreams to be, and I have one of those newly published authors, Gabriel Marino, with me right now. He's one of our juniors, and he's going to tell us a little bit about the project and his story. Hey, Gabe.
Hello. We did a project. We all each had a story, and I picked the lion. Well, I wrote about the lion and the fox.
It is in there. I read it. It's a wonderful story. And did you do the painting, or did someone else do it for you?
The drawing. Oh, I did it.
He did both the story and the drawing. Very good. So if you want to turn it so we can see that. These books are on sale. They are $22. I ordered about 5 for the elementary campus. We're going to put them in the Miss Terciero's Media Center so the students at the elementary campus can read some of these stories. I encourage you, parents and legal guardians, especially parents and legal guardians of the students that have their work published in this book, to buy it and share it. And anyone else, just get the book, support the students. It's wonderful work, and I'll be on more to tell you a lot more about other exciting things that our student sharks are doing here at PBMA.
And now it's time to check in with the events and activities at both our campuses.
Miss Owen's kindergartners are listening to themselves read. In elementary art, kindergarten through second grade students explored how mixing primary colors creates secondary colors. The students then used the secondary colors they made to create beautiful artwork. This week in STEM, grades kindergarten through second grade used the Coding Express kit to create a round track and used the coding bricks to make it run in a sequence. Grades 3 to 5 built a mini golf set and coded it to move using the Lego Spike kit.
The boys basketball team won their game on Tuesday against University Prep Academy. The Sharks jumped out to a 12-0 lead in the first quarter and never looked back. Darnell Metelus scored a game-high 30 points in the 43-14 victory over UPA. The boys basketball team played their third game of the season on Wednesday and won a hard-fought game against crosstown rival Somerset DBK. Darnell Metelus continues to be a force, scoring 22 points against the Panthers, while Andrew Haynes and Asher Ainsworth also scoring points. The boys pulled out a 34-22 victory and are now 2-1 on the season. The Sharks will look to carry this momentum into the weekend in the Trinity Lutheran Invitational Tournament in Delray Beach. All games will be played at Trinity Lutheran. Go Sharks!
Please like Palm Beach Maritime on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you're always informed of the newest information. I'm Mrs. Cooper. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.